What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Harps. We back at y'all again. Today we got y'all with the low angle, but hey, chill. This it's only cause I got a nice surprise for y'all. Y'all know I wouldn't come at y'all like this without a nice surprise. But hold on real quick. Peep the haircut. Oh my god. Your boy is official. But y'all already know what I did, man. It had to be done. It had to be. As y'all can see, we did the GT500 wing. Oh my god, just look at this right here. God damn. You know, we got the tent. Ooh, wee. I gotta get my wheels powder coated, and I need this right here, black probably. I'm probably gonna do that on black, but yeah, just look at this right here. Hold on. Let's look at this right here. God. She look. Oh my god. What's up, YouTube? We in the car with it now. Take y'all on a little ride. I don't know if y'all can see a little I'm saying the GT500 motherfucker in the back, but that motherfucker sitting, you feel me? Ooh. Ain't talking soap, but we getting it downtown. Ooh. Yeah, you know, I had to get into first, because we can't just go into drive. We don't got drive. You know what I'm saying? We do 6 speeds around here. Ooh. Do a little quick pull for y'all real quick. When I get around this corner, because I ain't got my radar plugged up. Little something slide. I don't want to do too much. We still on the regular roads. You know what I'm saying? I'm a law-abiding citizen who does not speed. Yeah, there go police right there. See? I'm glad I'm a law-abiding citizen. Y'all know where we
Brought to you
end
by
up
Wendy's Breakfast. Now with a free drink with any breakfast sandwich purchase.
Hey, type of shit you gotta deal with when you got a big boy V8, a big boy horsepower. You know what I'm saying? Stay here.